Okay. Come here. Hi. Okay. All right. Sit. Good girl. Good. Twirl. Good. Spin. Good. Sit. Good. Good. Touch. Good girl. Spin. Yay. Twirl. Good. Sit. Good. Off. Sorry, honey. Don't be trainer. Okay. Let's see. A couple more. Oh wait. Okay, here we go. How about? Come on. Go back. Right there. Go play with those. Good. Good. I shouldn't mark that one. Good. Do something else with it. Do something else with it. Do something fun. Come on. What do you got? Yes, there you go. Sit. Yes, good girl. Good. Sit. Down. Yes. Sit. Good girl. Yay, yay, yay. All right, we're all done. We're all done. We're all done. Oh, wait, now you're gonna play with it? Now you're gonna play with it? Yeah? How about we play with something else? What do we got? We have no toys in here. No, we got no toys. We got no toys. I can pet you. I can pet you. Yeah. That's your tail. That's your tail. That's your tail. You have one now. Sammy Monster. What are you doing? What are you doing? Guess you got your ears? Oh, such a good girl. Thank you. Can I pick up the paw? Can I pick it up? Can I pick it up? Can I pick it up? Thank you. Oh. Working on chin rests. I'm not going to mark that. Good girl. Okay. We're all done. We're all done. Pick him out. There's nothing up there. Tail itchy? What's on your tail that's so itchy, huh? Why are you so itchy? Is it all new hair? Is it all the new hair? Yeah? Yeah? What's that? What's that? That's my clicker. I need my clicker. But I need it. But I need that clicker. But I need it. But I need that clicker. Who knows? Who knows? What if I need that clicker, Savvy, huh? You sit. Yeah, there you go.